Versys 2017. Sometimes this starter button doesn't work because the moisture and everything goes inside this starter switch. So what you can do is keep regularly doing WD-40 over here, and this will keep the contacts free. And today what I am trying to do is open these two bolts from here. Okay, so once you remove these two small screws, gently open this part, you will see the throttle cable, the switch, and I'll just try to see if any dust is there inside the starter switch and just clean it up. How do you fit this? This would slide over here. The cable would go inside this slot and then cover it. This particular slot will go inside over here. It will easily slot. This part goes over here. You see? And then this part of the cover would slide over here.